We often think a heartbeat is the essence of life, but what if life can thrive without one? Across oceans, reefs, and even the microscopic world, countless creatures exist with no heart at all. These organisms have evolved ingenious ways to survive, moving nutrients and gases without a central pump. Today, we'll meet 10 remarkable animals that live heartlessly and thrive. Prepare to have your understanding of life reshaped as we explore the silent marvels of the animal kingdom. Our journey begins in the open ocean, where the endless blue stretches as far as the eye can see. Here, beneath the waves, life takes on forms both mysterious and ancient. This vast expanse is home to one of Earth's oldest creatures, the jellyfish, a living fossil that has drifted through the seas for hundreds of millions of years. Composed of an astonishing 98% water, jellyfish are marvels of simplicity. They have no brain to think, no blood to circulate, and no heart to beat. Yet they thrive in oceans across the globe. Their bell-shaped bodies pulse in a mesmerizing rhythm, propelling them gently through the water. This pulsing not only moves them along but also helps circulate nutrients throughout their bodies. Oxygen is absorbed directly through their delicate, paper-thin skin, allowing them to survive without lungs or gills. Every breathless moment is a testament to their unique adaptation. When they feed, food is drawn into a central cavity, where it is digested and then diffuses outward, nourishing every part of their simple bodies. Waste products are released just as simply, drifting away into the surrounding sea, carried off by the currents. Every aspect of their existence relies on diffusion, a process made possible by their fragile, uncomplicated structure. Their tentacles, both beautiful and dangerous, help them capture prey and defend against threats. Jellyfish have survived for over 500 million years, outlasting dinosaurs and witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. Their longevity proves that complexity isn't always necessary for survival. Perfectly adapted to a drifting lifestyle, they move with the ocean's currents, thriving in waters from the sunlit surface to the mysterious depths, all without a single heartbeat. In the ocean's eternal rhythm, their silent, pulseless existence is a triumph of nature's minimalist design, a reminder that life can flourish in the simplest of forms. These ethereal survivors glowing softly in the dark water show us that sometimes less truly is more, and that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. On the seabed, the starfish glides with a slow, almost hypnotic grace, its arms stretching outward as it explores the world beneath the waves. Unlike most animals, the starfish moves without a brain or a heart, relying on a unique system that sets it apart from other sea creatures. With no heart to drive its body, the starfish depends on a remarkable internal network to survive. There are no visible organs pumping blood or air, just a quiet, efficient system at work. Its secret is the water vascular system, a complex network that uses seawater for movement, feeding, and breathing. This system is the starfish's lifeline, allowing it to function in ways that seem almost alien compared to other marine life. Water enters through a small, sieve-like structure called the madreporite, then travels down a series of canals, powering hundreds of tiny, flexible tube feet that line the underside of each arm. These tube feet act like miniature suction cups, gripping rocks and sand, allowing the starfish to move, climb, and even pry open the shells of its prey. They also help with gas exchange and nutrient transport, making them essential for survival. Oxygen and nutrients diffuse through the coelomic fluid, a clear liquid that flows inside the starfish, reaching every cell and keeping the animal healthy and active. Even feeding is unique. When the starfish finds a meal, it can extend its stomach outside its body, enveloping and digesting prey like mussels and clams right where they lie, before pulling the nutrients back inside. All of this happens without a single heartbeat, just the gentle, rhythmic flow of seawater moving through its body, powering every action and every breath. The starfish is a master of hydraulic engineering, thriving through elegant simplicity. Its life is a testament to the wonders of adaptation, showing us that even the most unassuming creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. Meet the sea cucumber, a soft-bodied recycler of the ocean floor. Like starfish, it uses a water vascular system for movement and feeding. But its breathing is unique. It draws water in through its anus, using internal respiratory trees for gas exchange. Oxygen and nutrients are carried by coelomic fluid, moved by muscle contractions. No heart is needed, just slow, steady movement and diffusion. Sea cucumbers quietly clean the ocean, thriving through unassuming efficiency. Their heartless design is a lesson in making the most of what's available. Coral reefs are built by millions of tiny heartless polyps, each no bigger than a grain of rice, yet together they create some of the most breathtaking structures on our planet. Each polyp is a simple sac with a mouth and tentacles, living in colonies that form vast underwater cities. These colonies can stretch for miles, housing countless generations of polyps, all working together in perfect harmony. Their thin, delicate bodies allow oxygen and nutrients to diffuse directly from the surrounding seawater, eliminating the need for complex organs. This simplicity is key to their survival in nutrient-poor tropical waters. At night, polyps extend their tentacles to catch drifting plankton, snaring tiny creatures from the water. But their main source of food comes from a remarkable partnership with microscopic algae living inside their tissues. These algae, called zooxanthellae, use sunlight to photosynthesize, producing sugars and oxygen that they share with their coral hosts. In return, the corals provide the algae with shelter and access to sunlight. No circulatory system is needed. Nutrients and energy pass directly between cells, and even from one polyp to another, creating a network of sharing and support within the colony. The entire reef thrives on diffusion, cooperation, and simplicity. This elegant system allows coral reefs to flourish where few other animals could survive. Corals without brains or hearts build some of the largest and most complex structures on Earth, rivaling even human cities in scale and diversity. Their success is a testament to the power of collective, heartless life. These reefs support thousands of species from tiny shrimp to massive sharks, forming the foundation of entire marine ecosystems. Simplicity and teamwork create the world's most vibrant marine habitats, proving that even the smallest creatures working together can shape the world in extraordinary ways. Sea anemones anchored to rocks look like flowers but are patient predators. Their bodies are simple columns with tentacles and a central mouth. Prey is paralyzed by stinging cells and digested in a central cavity. Nutrients and oxygen diffuse directly through their thin body walls. No cell is far from the environment, making a heart unnecessary. Respiration and waste removal happen by direct exchange with seawater. Their sedentary lifestyle is perfectly matched to this efficient, heartless design. Sea anemones are ancient survivors, thriving through patience and simplicity. Flatworms, like planarians, are masters of minimalism. Their flat bodies maximize surface area, allowing oxygen and nutrients to diffuse directly to every cell. No heart, no lungs, just efficient diffusion. Their digestive cavity branches throughout the body, bringing food close to all tissues. Flatworms can regenerate from tiny fragments thanks to distributed stem cells. Their simple design allows for remarkable resilience and adaptability. Flatworms prove that a basic body plan can be incredibly successful. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most enduring. Deep inside other animals, tapeworms thrive as ultimate parasites. They have no mouth, no digestive tract, and no heart. Their bodies absorb nutrients directly from the host's intestine through a specialized skin. Oxygen is scarce, so they respire anaerobically or absorb what little they need through their surface. Waste diffuses out, carried away by the host. Tapeworms are little more than a head and a chain of reproductive segments. Their entire existence is dedicated to absorbing food and producing offspring. Ruthlessly efficient, they are the epitome of heartless survival. Sponges are among the oldest and simplest animals, lacking hearts, organs, or even true tissues. Their bodies are porous filters, drawing water in through tiny holes and out through larger openings. Specialized cells called choanocytes create currents, trapping food particles from the water. Mobile amoebocytes distribute nutrients throughout the sponge's body. Gas exchange and waste removal happen as water flows through. There's no central control, just millions of cells working together. Sponges show us how decentralized, heartless life can flourish for hundreds of millions of years. They are living fossils, a window into life's earliest experiments. Now we shrink to the microscopic world of bacteria, the most numerous organisms on Earth. As single cells, bacteria have no need for hearts or circulatory systems. Their cell membrane handles everything: nutrient intake, gas exchange, and waste removal. Diffusion happens almost instantly at this scale. Bacteria thrive in every environment, from boiling vents to frozen ice. Their simplicity allows for rapid reproduction and adaptability. Bacteria are the unseen foundation of all ecosystems. They prove that life's success doesn't depend on complexity. Amoebas, shape-shifting single-celled organisms, move and feed without a heart. They flow by extending pseudopods, driven by cytoplasmic streaming. This internal flow distributes nutrients and oxygen efficiently within the cell. Feeding is dramatic. Amoebas engulf prey and digest it in food vacuoles. Gas exchange and waste removal happen directly through the cell membrane. Amoebas are self-sufficient universes, thriving through adaptability and simplicity. They embody the ingenuity of life at its most basic level. Our journey through Heartless Wonders reveals a profound truth. Life thrives in many forms, with or without a heartbeat. These creatures are not primitive, they are masters of their own biology, succeeding through simplicity and direct exchange with their environment. From jellyfish to bacteria, they challenge our assumptions about what it means to be alive. The natural world is filled with marvels, each with its own strategy for survival. Which heartless animal amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this exploration, like and subscribe for more journeys into the wonders of science. Until next time, keep exploring.